What are we gonna watch, my love? Mommy! Mommy? Yes. Oh no, Mommy doesn't know how to look for Mommy. Maybe. Mommy will try. Hey Cam Fam, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting strong with a beautiful unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. Tech bloggers are shaking. So this is how the box looks. So I got the MacBook Pro in 14-inch, 1 terabyte. It's with the M2 Pro chip already. I tried my best to be techie and really tried to research so that I can get like the proper specs for a laptop. It's not really me who's gonna be using this, it's gonna be Soph. She has an old laptop that I provided for her, but she says that it's currently ruining her life. No, just kidding. It's making her life so hard because it's like super slow na daw and everything. So I'm hoping that with this new laptop, she will be editing my videos within just 3 days. Yun yung kapalit ng pag-purchase ng laptop na to. Yes, so? Yes?
No.
Okay, so I was researching I was looking at the specs, and as a tech blogger, I saw na the MacBook Air and the MacBook 13-inch M2 chip. Parang they're sort of the same. So feeling ko if you're gonna get the M2 in 13-inch, might as well just get the Air. It's cheaper, but you get the same specs. Then I checked out the 14-inch, and that's where the difference happens. So maybe I should keep quiet now because I feel like people like ASMR with these things. Okay, one more time. Nakisabay yung laptop. Beautiful. And then we have here the manual, charger, the cable for the charger, and that's it. It smells super new. Beautiful and heavy, but it's not me who's gonna be carrying this, it's gonna be Soph. So here you go, Soph. Enjoy. 3 days, okay? For every video. Thanks. So it's actually working day here at the Kokoro house. The laptop just came in time because the team is over here. They're there behind their laptops. A lot of you guys know that I used to work with just Soph, my child, who I call my child. And Joanna, who used to edit my videos. But Joanna was never really regular, she's just always been with us, but she just gave birth and everything. Of course, she had to take a leave, and ever since her giving birth, parang I felt na after 13 years in the business, maybe it's time to actually build a team and everything. So now we're slowly building the team, and I put in a conscious effort to make it into a girl power team. I really just wanted to hire girls. So yeah, so now we're just working here at home. Later on, I'm gonna be heading out for a meeting, and then I'm gonna try to come home super duper quick so that I could still put Sienna to sleep. You guys know that I live not in the city, so feeling ko I'm kind of like Cinderella because I always have a cutoff. I want to make sure I'm already on the road coming back to the house before rush hour because I don't want to be ever stuck in Manila traffic. Kung may narinig kayong maingay, si Channel yun kasi walang pakisama sa vlog ko. Quiet on the set! Sabi ni Shannon, akyat na raw ako so she can actually work. So akyat na ako. Okay, bye everyone. Okay, so the team just left and I am just about to head on out because as you guys remember, Foreman, my good friend who's currently based in Canada, today is his birthday salubong. So I am just going to dress up for that. Show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. We don't know yet what I'm gonna be wearing. So it's gonna be al fresco, which means I will be feeling very hot. Okay, let's wear this skirt. With what? I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. It's a process. Ooh, this might work. With this CJ Carl Jan Cruz top. Let's try it. I feel like we need to go for a different skirt. So let's go for this one. Cute. I think it's cute. Okay, I'm just gonna fix up real quick and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello. So I'm finally all settled in. I've freshened up. I am now a person. I'm actually just about to prepare for my event later on with Elizabeth Arden. So I am currently in Cebu. Hello, Cebu. But I'm only here for 24 hours, actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna be here for the opening of Elizabeth Arden at Rustan, Cebu. That's basically it. And then I'm flying back home because I have another event on the weekend. So I can't really extend or be here a long time. Plus, I don't really want to leave Siena for that long. I mean, you guys know, I'm always attached to go home to Siena these days. Sadly, I won't be seeing more of Cebu. I'll only really be here in the hotel, and then I'm going to Rustan's and then back to the hotel, and that's it. I was thinking that maybe I can extend for a few hours tomorrow and see my friends here, like sila Chris, but they're all out of town, sakto. They're all in Sanrem. So no point in extending. I'm just gonna go back home and go straight away to Siena. So yeah, so today's a Thursday. I go home on Friday, and then Saturday I have an event. And so yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna be knocked out tonight because our flight was actually at 5:30 a.m. this morning. So I was already up by around 3:50 a.m. Sophia, who's part of Team Camille call, probably had less sleep than me. She was already at the airport by 3:30 a.m. So we will both be knocked out tonight. Buti na lang we have the help of makeup to make me look decent. So I will see you guys when I'm already all made up. All made up? Ready? I'm in Elizabeth Arden colors. They ask us to wear white or red, or in my case, combined. Our food is here. Soph is here. But it's already my call time, so I shall eat after the ribbon cutting. See you there! Once in a while, I act like no one knows me, but if I can lift my eyelids closed, I like it, I don't think so. Once in a while, I act like no one. So we're finally done with the event. The last event was held here at the hotel, Sheraton Hotel. It's so nice here. I didn't know this was new. Apparently it's new, and they're still building like a new phase here. And I wish I get to stay here even longer, because when we were walking to the event, I got to see like the view of the pool and the beach. Sobrang ganda. And then their pool bar looks like this cave thing, and it's so nice. But yeah, can't extend. I have an event, and also I really want to be with Siena already and Yoni. So maybe next time, hopefully I get to come back to Cebu and get to stay here again. I was talking to Divine during the event. She stays here already in Cebu, and she was telling me that Lucid Hotel is also new. Grabe, there's so many new places here in Cebu. I can't even remember when the last time was that I was here. It's been so long. And I remember every time I come here, when I used to come here, it was always a food trip. Like, food here in Cebu is so good. Sadly, we're not gonna do any food trips on this trip. But at least I get to say na I was here for a while, you know. Got to visit Cebu again. Yung gamo-gamo a while ago at the event though was on a different level. And if you guys, I don't know if I've ever shared this on my vlog, but I have a very strong aversion with insects. Like, I can't. I remember before when I was younger, I couldn't even kill an ant because ganun ako, like, iniisip ko, like, my gosh, if you kill an ant and you squish them, you're squishing their insides, ew, like, yun yung imagination ko. So, imagine me with the gamo-gamo. Like, feeling ko they're all, actually, baka nandito pa sila, baka may nasama akong gamo-gamo here inside me because they were, like, going everywhere. And everyone's trying to fight off the gamo-gamo. But you know, it's part of nature. Actually, if there's one thing that Kokoro House has taught me, because Kokoro House is like very rich in nature, I've become less scared of bugs. But the bugs in Kokoro House kasi are cute and they don't like crawl up on me, so I'm fine. But anyway, that's another day, another story. For now, I'm gonna get some sleep because we've been up for quite a while, Camp Fam, and I want to be fresh tomorrow because tomorrow is still a work day. When I get home, I'm still gonna be shooting some stuff for you guys. So I want to be well rested. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I will just stalk Siena and then go to sleep. That's what I do. That's what I always do. I stalk Siena. Actually, a lot of you guys always ask me like, what's our CCTV? Ito na, for true Camp Fams, I'm gonna share it with you. It's not that I don't share it anywhere, but I don't know why people just don't remember. Our CCTVs at home, they're by Google Nest, and they're so good. Akala ko matutulog na ako. But anyway, I just want to share this first because I don't gatekeep. So my family home, they make use of this really expensive system that like big companies use, and it's just so complicated. It's so slow compared to what we're using. Like, Google Nest is so easy, it's so user friendly, and it's so reliable, and it's always so clear. So that's what we use. That's it. And that's also what I used to talk to Sienna. Okay, that is it. I really am gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, world. I'm already all dressed up, about to check out, but I'm just gonna grab breakfast first. I have 20 minutes before my ride to the airport comes, so that's just enough time for me to have brekkie. Let's go. Bye, Sheraton. Hopefully I get to stay here in the future for a longer time. Up to see my baby. Hope the flight is not delayed. That's always my wish whenever I go to the airport and do domestic flights. I don't know why, no domestic flights nowadays are always delayed. Hopefully the plane is already there, right? So,
Yes, off to see my dog.
you have a dog?
Oh, my baby.
Okay, she has a dog, a baby dog. Look who came to get me! Cover up, Dusty!
Because you have a lot of offensive lipstick, I noticed at the last minute.
Johnny hates kissing me when I have lipstick because he always becomes more beautiful than me after the kiss. So we're gonna rush home because Sienna has school today. Mama gets to drop her off. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hopefully we make it though because we're already late for her school. Her school was moved earlier today for some weird reason. Hi! Hi! Mommy's home. Are you okay na? No more fever?
No more fever.
Okay, but still have sipon?
Yeah.
Are you wearing this to school? Unicorn.
You, Mama, no more na.
Yeah, we still have more to go. Change of plans. I think we're not gonna be bringing her to school. Mama thinks she may have no fever, but her face looks like she's still very sick. So Sienna will just hang out with Mommy here at home. No school, okay?
Yeah.
Because you look sick pa, my love. What are we gonna watch, my love?
Mommy.
Mommy?
Yes.
Oh no, Mommy doesn't know how to look for Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy will try.
Here, Mommy. Here.
Hello, it's a brand new day. Today we are headed to SM Mega Fashion Hall because I am going to be part of the Cathay Pacific travel sale. And so I'm just gonna do like a quick talk there, talk about my love for Hong Kong and also my love for Cathay Pacific, which will really come natural to me because I am a Hong Kong baby. No, I wasn't born there, but when I was younger, that was always the go-to vacation city of my parents. My dad really loved dining there, so there were a lot of like Christmases and like random last-minute vacations that we took to Hong Kong. And just thinking about, because they sent me the questions beforehand, so usually when we have these events they usually send us the questions beforehand so we can prep, and there are a lot of questions about what we miss about Hong Kong or our recommendations, and it just made me miss Hong Kong so much. I haven't been since the pandemic and I really do miss it, but parang feeling ko ngayon it's not the right time na to go because I love Hong Kong when it's cold and breezy, and right now it's starting to get hot already, so yeah, but hopefully during the Burr months I get to go. The traffic is driving me crazy. The traffic is also driving my bladder crazy. We've been on the road for probably 2 hours now.
Style and travel blogger and entrepreneur Camille.
Finally back home. Hi, my love! You're nam-naming na? Lipstick.
It's terrible.
Like Cebu.
Makeup. What is?
It's color pink makeup. So I just changed into comfier outfit. And Sienna said it's bagay, right? This girl. Just put Sienna about to sleep. And now, Yoni and I will do a quick dinner date. Not a date actually, but just a dinner out. He's already dressed. Beautiful. Off we go. finally home and waiting for the ates to come. So our gym room also doubles as our massage room. So Yoni and I booked a massage tonight because we are tired parents, okay? So this is the best end to my day actually. When Yoni first said na, do you want to get a massage earlier during the day? I was thinking, I'll just say yes so that he'll book the massage because I feel like he won't book it if I say that I just wanna Netflix and chill. Like really Netflix. That if I just wanna like watch series and stuff. But now that he booked it, it's just... I feel like I didn't really do much to the day anyways. I was just out for my event. But then, ako lang ba? Or if whenever you're stuck in traffic, you just feel more tired than what you're supposed to be. I don't know why. And I've just been yawning the entire time since coming home. So I can't wait to just lie down, have my massage. I'll probably be snoring. So that is my cue to end my vlog. I promise also to do a sit-down vlog next. I've already come up with something that you guys will enjoy. A lot of you guys have been requesting for more sit-down stuff, so we're gonna do that as well. See you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for joining me.